76. In case of a couple where male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? A. Gamete intracytoplasmic fallopian transfer. B. Artificial insemination. C. Intracytoplasmic injection. And D. B and C both. Correct answer is B. Artificial insemination. In this process, semen is collected from husband or healthy donor, and it is artificially introduced either into vagina or into uterus. Question number 77. After ovulation, the Graafian follicle becomes an endocrine gland. Ruptured Graafian follicle is converted into corpus luteum, that is an interstitial organ. So the correct answer is A. Interstitial organ. Question number 78. Accessory glands of human male reproductive system are accessory glands of male include seminal vesicle. It is a paired gland. Second, prostate gland. It is a unpaired gland. Next, Cowper's or bulbourethral gland. It is also a paired gland. So the correct answer is C. Question number 79. To which population category India belongs? India is a developing country. So India belongs to high birth rate and low mortality rate. Correct answer is D. Question number 80. Highest and lowest population in India is in. Correct answer is B. UP and Sikkim. According to 2001 census, population of UP was 166 millions and that of Sikkim was 5.40 lakh. Question number 81. The chemical method of contraception includes chemical contraceptive methods. A. Jellies only, that is correct. Spermicidal chemicals come in the form of jellies. B. Creams and foams only. Spermicidal chemical comes in the form of creams and foams. C. Oral contraceptive pills, it is also the method of chemical contraception. In this, hormones are used as contraceptive methods. So correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 82. If the ovaries of the pregnant mammal are removed, if ovaries are removed in a pregnant mammal, that will lead to removal of corpus luteum, that will lead to decrease in level of progesterone, which is known as pregnancy hormone, which is necessary for maintenance of pregnancy. So if ovaries are removed, then the embryonic development will stop. So the correct answer is A. Question number 83. Corpus luteum is formed in. Corpus luteum is a temporary endocrine gland formed by ruptured Graafian follicle in ovary. So the correct answer is A, ovary. Question number 84. The testes of a great majority of mammals are typically enclosed in an extra-abdominal sac, the scrotum. The temperature inside the scrotum is lower than that in abdomen. What will happen if the temperature of scrotum is artificially increased to abdominal temperature? A. The germinal epithelium will lead to produce a large quantity of androgen secretion. That is wrong. B. The germinal epithelium of testes will divide faster, thus producing more sperm. That is false. C. The germinal epithelium of testes will degenerate, resulting in sterility. That is correct. D. The germinal epithelium will carry out normal spermatogenesis. That is false. The correct answer is C, because for normal spermatogenesis, temperature should be 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius less than body temperature. So the correct answer is C. Question number 85. In girl, first menstruation begins at puberty and is called A. menarche, B. menstrual cycle, C. menopause, D. none. Correct answer is A. menarche. Menarche is the starting of menstrual cycle, and this occurs at the age of 9 to 15. years. Question number 86. The significance of study of population. Significance of study of population. A. The consequences of uncontrolled population only. That is correct. B. The benefits of planned family. That is also correct. C. The population growth, distribution and density. That is also correct. So the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 87. Meiosis can be observed in A. primary spermatocytes, B. secondary spermatocyte, C. both A and B, D. mature sperm. Meiosis. Spermatogonia develops to primary spermatocyte. In primary spermatocyte, meiosis 1 takes place, leading to the formation of secondary spermatocyte, and in secondary spermatocyte, meiosis 2 takes place, leading to the formation of spermatid. So the correct answer is C, both A and B. Question number 88. Note the relationship between first two words and suggest a suitable word for the fourth place. Mesovarium, ovary. Mesovarium is a ligament that attaches ovary to abdominal wall. Similarly, mesometrium is related to uterus. It helps in hanging of uterus to abdominal wall. So the correct answer is B, uterus. Question number 89. The scientist who propounded population is a group of species. Correct answer is D, Clark. Question number 90. The cavity present in Graafian follicle. Cavity present in Graafian follicle is known as antrum, and this antrum is filled by liquor folliculi secreted by granulosa cells. So the correct answer is C, antrum.